Welcome back everyone, Tina here, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can reassign contacts between affiliates. So maybe you have duplicate contacts within your CRM, meaning maybe the same person has been stored multiple times, maybe even with the same email address, and that causes issues within the affiliate manager with the correct attribution and commission payout. So in this video, I'm going to help you how to identify when reassignment is the right fix and also understand what changes after the reassignment. Let's go. So first, let's navigate to marketing on the left, affiliate manager at the top, and then click affiliate. Please note that you have to have the permissions to access contacts as well as the affiliate manager if you want to perform this action. So find the affiliate in question, then click the three dots right here and then select reassign contact. Then you want to click the drop down menu and then you want to type the name of the affiliate. Then we want to select the second contact. And then we want to hit confirm. Now you see the affiliate email has changed right here and we have successfully reassigned the contact. Now this contact showed up because it is stored within contacts. Let me show you. You go to contacts on the left, you find those two email addresses. In this case, it's the same person, it's just two different email addresses. So what you can do here is you select those two contacts, you click the drop-down menu under more, and then you select merge contact. Then right here, you want to decide which one is your master and then hit merge contacts. And now you only have one contact available for the same person. This avoids so much confusion. So always make sure that you actually have duplicates turned off under your settings. So let's go to settings bottom left. Then under business profile, you will see the section contact deduplication preferences. This should be turned off ideally if you don't want to have the same person with multiple different email addresses, for example. So just toggle this on and you're good to go. Please note that future metrics will reflect the updated linkage. Some historical visuals may not recalculate, so please make sure to confirm this on a report-by-report basis. For the commissions, it's the same thing. They will follow the updated linkage. So previously calculated and paid commissions remain the same. And when it comes to workflows and automations, so the ongoing workflows that reference the affiliate's contact will continue against the newly linked profile. And the affiliate portal will show performance based on the current linkage going forward, but the historical views may vary by report or widget. Bulk reassignments aren't available as of now, so you'll have to go one by one. There's also no undo button, so once you've reassigned an affiliate, you will just have to reassign again if you would like to make changes. If you can't see the reassignment option, please make sure you're in the right location and you have permissions to manage contacts and the affiliate manager. Well, if you haven't signed up for HighLevel just yet and you would like to take benefit of the affiliate manager, make sure to do that via our affiliate link because it comes with amazing snapshots, free courses, SOPs, and much more. I will see you over there.